Hello friends, I welcome you to the MCQ series for set examination teaching aptitude episode 3. You can watch previous episode on my channel. Friends, the rules are simple. When question appears on your screen, you pause it and try to answer, and if possible write down your score in the comment section. So here we go. So the first question is the dash dash of research article is placed near its beginning. So friends, options are A summary, B abstract, C synopsis, D preface. So friends, here you see they have asked us what is at the beginning of the research article. So friends, here if you see option A, B, C, D, the option D is eliminated because preface is written at the beginning of the book, not a research article. So you eliminate the option B. Now coming to the option C, synopsis. So synopsis is not something you write in the research article. It is a short or brief summary which you write of the article or of the works, so it is not part of article. Okay, now these two things A and B, these two are the part of the articles. So friends, the article start with the abstract, then introduction, then result and discussion, and finally it ends with as summary, acknowledgement and references. So friends, this is the order: abstract, introduction, result and discussion, then summary, acknowledgement and references. So option here is abstract B. So friends, I hope you have understood this. Now next question: research journal with a high dash dash are commonly considered to be more important than those with lower ones. Now the four options here are the eigen factor, H index, impact factor, I10 score. So friends, now if you look at four options, you will understand what is it. Now I'll tell you the H index, option B, and I10 score are not about the impact of the journal, research journals. They are about the individual scientist, or about as you know, I10 is it is used for Google Scholar, and H index is a citation index for a scientist. So these two have ruled out. Now we have competition between A, eigen factor, and C, impact factor. So friend, these two are very similar to each other, but the only difference is in eigen factor, it changes when the size of journal changes. Like if you have more article, it it will be different for smaller journals, and it will be different for the bigger journals. So the perfect match for this should be the impact factor. Impact factor, it is based on the citation of the journal. So citation is the criteria. If impact factor is high, the journal is considered more like it is a valuable journal. And impact factor is less, it is not that good journal. Now moving on to our so the answer here is C, impact factor. Friends, have idea of all these terms. Now the next question: a dash is a short-term intensive course for small group emphasizing problem solving and learning newer technique. So friends, option A is workshop, B is seminar, C is summer school, and D is refresher course. So friends, refresher schools and summer school are eliminated here because summer school is only for summer vacation, and it is not meant for the newer technique or problem solving, this thing, emphasis on problem solving. And refreshers course also eliminated. Now we have A workshop and B seminar. So seminar is, it the above statement suits to seminar, but seminar is used in broader terms, like it has other activities also. If you see the workshop, it is a part of seminar only, but it is specific to the problem solving and learning newer techniques. So option here is A, workshop. Now moving to the next question of ours. Here, what is Prasar Bharati? Now this is related to communication thing. It is a private company owning TV channels, a telecom company owning a large mobile network, and advertising and public relation wing of central government, an autonomous body for public radio and TV broadcasting. So as we know that Prasar Bharati is somewhere related to government of India, but it is not a private company. So option A is eliminated, and telecom company owning a large mobile network. No, it is not. It is the it is not a telecom company, so it is a broadcaster only. So option C and D we have here. So it is advertising and public relation wing of central government. No, this is not the option. So it is the option here is the autonomous body of public radio and TV broadcasting. So D is the option. Remember this thing, friends. Now the next question. The HTTP, the full form in the context of internet. They have asked us what is the full form of HTTP. Friends, please remember full form of HTTP, www. So this World Wide Web is the full form of www. So HTTP is see four options: higher text transmission process, higher technical textual platform, hyper text transfer protocol, and hyper transmission of truncated procedure. So option as I have written here is hyper text transfer protocol. Please remember I told you www, the World Wide Web, and HTTP. So this is it, friends. These were our 5 MCQs for the day, and please subscribe to our channel Global Online University for more update, and please suggest to your friends our channel. Thank you.